Alrighty, leaving Craggy Wash, heading down to Parker for the van build. Beautiful drive coming up. But it's 10:25 Wednesday morning for the van build, and already tons of people here. There's Gertie, Southern Goodness's van. Got people everywhere. This place is swamped. And not everybody's here yet. People are still pulling in. Caravan Carolyn setting up her sunshade. That RV Rebel girl? It is. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
So we're having a meeting here at noon.
Yeah, meeting right here in front of the bus at noon, where we're going to go ahead and pass out the build request sheets to the teams.
Okay.
And get everybody going on their jobs.
All right. Good deal. Van build is in progress.
Yep.
Jamie's hard at it.
Really loud. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to go through a list of things that we need to talk about, and then we're going to separate you out based on whether you're a volunteer or whether you're here to have work done, and then separate you out even further to different teams and everything. Have everybody separated. But before we get into all that, welcome to the If you are here, you are at the right place at the right time. So,
first solar job done. Got solar panels on the roof, charge controller inside. Van number one done. Job number one.
I want to be able to get through there. Yes, that's what I was thinking right there. Do you think that's good?
Hike with me is getting a bed put in her van. We're building a bed here at the van build party. And she went out beside me because she doesn't want to be on video. Isn't that right?
Well, it's early.
All right, let's look who arrived here. It's Jax.
Hey, morning guys. I got here a little late last night, about 10 o'clock. And, you know, I pulled up and I thought to myself, is this the RTR? My good God, there's so many people here. So, it's a 12-hour drive yesterday from Albuquerque.
Wow.
Yeah, it was pretty long. I was getting pretty tired. Stopped for Mexican food twice.
Good for you.
You know, you got to fuel up with some burritos. But, yeah, I'm happy to be here, and hopefully I can finish this thing up. So.
Most excellent. All right, well, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
And we got the bus.
Which I don't have a name for yet.
Don't have a name.
No.
Got the deck installed.
Yeah, 14-foot redwood deck. Got the panels mounted, but still, you know, still a lot of work to be done.
All right, and so no name.
No name yet.
This is our fire pit where we have the nightly fires. And this is our fire marshal. He's got the fire extinguisher in hand and he's ready. Of course, we got to teach him not to drink on the job because it's really hurting his complexion. There you have it, folks. Sunset over the van build. Just east of Parker, Arizona.